Hey, what's up, traders? Head ass. What's good with y'all, man? It's MET. XRO. Head ass. I don't know why I did that shit like the Power Rangers and shit. I ain't gonna lie. If they need a new Ranger, I'm here. I'm ready. My color gonna be. I ain't gonna lie. I'm finna be red. Bro gonna have to go to. He gonna have to go to another color. Cause I'm red. I ain't gonna lie. You know, we probably gonna have a little pink or shit. That's up to him. Whatever color you wanna be, he just can't be red. I'm red. I'm hop off the cut. You know what I'm saying? They go Power Rangers. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Probably do a little backflip and hit one of them. Head ass. What's good with y'all, man? It is 6/9/2023, and if you don't know what the 6 stands for, it means it's June, and it's the 9th day, and it's 2023. And if you need me to break it down even more, the time is 10:26 a.m., which means in the morning. But yeah, man, this week, we got to talk about this week, man. I know a lot of people have been just all over this week. So we finna break this shit down. I'm finna tell y'all what happened with me this week and everything, all that. So before we get into that, make sure you go follow me on IG at METXRO. Link in the description down below. God damn, I ain't gonna lie, I need a feature with Drake. The way I just said that shit so fluently, and you know, just yeah. Drake, I know you watching this, just hit me in the DMs, bro. You know what I'm saying? Me and Drake, we cool like that, though. You know what I'm saying? He let me borrow his Lambo last week. I let him borrow my bicycle. We cool. We locked in. But yeah, man, go follow me on IG. I post when I win, when I lose, when I don't trade, and even my personal life. So if you wanna, you know what I'm saying, just interact with a trader, why not? You know what I'm saying? Fuck it. You know what I'm saying? Why not? Yeah, so another thing is, if you're not in the Discord, make sure to go join the Discord, bro. You know what I'm saying? Hey, it's free. It's a trading Discord. We just be vibing in here, bro. As you can see, this is the little general trading chat. You know, all this other shit. You know, we just, and then we also got, you know what I'm saying? Just look to the left. We got all the little different channels where you can go into, and if my computer wanna work, yeah, you know what I'm saying? This is, everybody be eating. A lot of people be eating in this motherfucker, you know what I'm saying? They post their trades. Boom, look at that. Oh, TP hit. TP hit. What I said last video? Bad bitch TP hit. I think it was last video. I don't know. It wasn't last video. But yeah, man. Enough of all this shit. Let's hop onto the charts, man. So, fuck. Where do we begin? Man. This whole week, just for me. Now, I'm not saying for everybody else. This is just the way that I trade, the way my strategy set up. This week just wasn't it for me. Now, before y'all get to, well, hold on. I didn't trade this week. Now, I hopped on the charts every single day, and I'm going to go over every single day on every single pair that I usually trade and tell y'all what I see and what I didn't see. Now, you know what I'm saying? I didn't trade no days this week. And today's Friday, and yes, last night, London session, I saw 2 setups, but I didn't take them because, you know, I was disciplined. You know what I'm saying? I lost a lot of money trading outside of my session and in the past, and I was like, man, I'm not trading this shit. I don't care how good the setup look. I'm sticking to my, you know, my little shit. But I drew up, like, you know, I just drew it up, you know, my TP and where I would get in at if I took it to trade, and both of them hit TP, bro. Both of them hit TP, so you know, I'm like, man, tomorrow finna be a good day. You know what I'm saying? I went to sleep. Man, I woke up, heard the birds chirping. It's gonna be a good day, right? Not saying it ain't a good day, but I woke up. I ain't catching no shit. I ain't catching nothing on the charts. But hey, man, that don't mean that. Hey, like I said, we didn't lose this week. We didn't lose money. So, hey, technically it's a W week, and we still undefeated on the undefeated. Why the fuck I'm talking like we in boxing or some shit? What's the word? I'm 2-0 on the account. I haven't lost yet. I'm not trying to jinx it. So God, if you listening, that don't mean give me a loss to humble me. I'm humbled enough. You know, I understand. I can lose at any time, but I'm not trying to lose no time soon. Yeah. But hey, man, we could just go over the setups and just see what we see in the market. Now, this week, it just hasn't been hitting for me. I know I've seen a lot of people winning, a lot of people losing. I feel like it was a 50-50 week. I did post a poll on my IG. That just like was just a poll like, hey, was this week good for you? Was it decent? Was it bad? Now, if you got me on IG, you can go see that poll and see what a lot of people voted. So it's pretty mixed, to be honest with you. I'm not gonna lie, it's not. A lot of people did bad, a lot of people did good. It's like literally 50, 50, 50. You know what I'm saying? That don't even make sense, because 50, 50, 50 is 150. You could tell you could tell math wasn't my fucking subject. You could just tell. That shit didn't make no sense. But yeah, man, this is Monday on a pair GJ. I usually hop on the chart. I got my alarm set at 7:30 to just wake up and see if I see some shit, right? Had that shit marked up. It almost tapped into that zone, then it melted. So I don't never get an aggressive. I always like to see it touch the zone, and then I follow from there. So we didn't get an entry that day on GJ. Oh my lord, the computer lagging chronicles. Here we fucking go again. Here we go again. This is Tuesday. Boom. Let me see. Nothing. Just a whole bunch of nothing. Tuesday. Now, I'm probably only gonna show 3 days, to be honest with you, on each pair, because I don't want to just hold y'all up and just show y'all a laggy ass computer that y'all don't want to watch. So this is Wednesday. Shit day, more like shit day. But yeah, man, that's all the way up. So Wednesday on GJ, AU. Oh lord, we're lagging. Yeah, it's just wasn't. This week just wasn't hitting. Now y'all please let me know in the comments. Am I tripping? Like, was this week really good for y'all? Was it really bad for y'all? Because I ain't gonna lie. I know back then, I'll say about over a year ago, when I was like still kind of like figuring myself out with trading and get my psychology intact and everything, like I used to always be like, oh yeah, I could go a week without trading and shit, this and that. But back then, I would like let's say if it's a bad day for trading, I'd be like, damn bro, like I want to make some money, you know what I'm saying? I used to be kind of mad about it, sad about it, shit like that. But now I'm at the point where like literally like I can go a whole week without trading and not be mad or nothing. And that shit's kind of crazy to me. That's why I'm low-key kind of proud of myself this week. Because like, even though I didn't win or, do anything crazy this week, well, it's just a big accomplishment for me. You know what I'm saying? This is my first time in my trading journey that I've went a whole week without trading. And it's strictly off of discipline. If I didn't see anything in the market that applies to my strategy, then I'm not going to trade. Now, I know a lot of people might be like, oh, well, I caught a lot of good setups. That's fine. I'm not saying that there wasn't good setups in the market. It's just saying for the way that I trade and shit, that I didn't see anything. Keyword, I didn't see anything. My strategy, I didn't see anything. So if you saw something and your strategy working this week, good job. Congrats to you. Hopefully you ended up profitable. You know what I'm saying? I always want to see y'all do good and I want to see y'all do bad. But like I said, I feel like that's a big accomplishment for me, because I usually only go 1 or 2 days out the week without trading. And going like realistically, if you really look on it, if you hop on the charts every single day for at least like 1 to 2 hours and don't take a trade for like a week, I ain't gonna lie, discipline has to be at an all-time high. That's why I'm low-key not even mad about this week, because I'm proud of myself. I'm proud of myself, bro, because like back then I was like, damn, going a week without trading, how the fuck could that happen? Hey, it happened. So this is where, damn, excuse me, but this is Wednesday. This is Wednesday on AU. We don't really see nothing. It's just falling. It's just falling. Gave us no entry. I'm gonna go to Tuesday real quick for y'all. Okay, I think it technically did give us a setup, but it just wasn't clean for me. You guys always know, I always like to enter. All right, so boom, I'm going over here because my camera might be in the way. So, you know what I'm saying, we had a supply setup, right? Now, the first candle touched in. I'm gonna try to zoom in for y'all. First candle touched in. Okay, now the first candle that touched in, I always like to try to get my entry on once it breaks below the wick of the candle that touched in the zone. As you see, it just went all the way up, all the way down, all the way up, and I'm like, hold on, I'm not really feeling this shit. And I was just like, I'm gonna leave this shit alone, we good. Plus, it was coming up on 8:30, so I don't really like trading 8:30. 8:30 is always like a move or some shit, So I think Either I was watching this shit and I was about to get in, or the 8:30 candle messed it up. Because as you can see right here, it touched again, it broke below. And if I would have got in, I'm gonna show y'all what would have happened. I would have got in at the break of this candle, at the break of that wick, and then placed my stop loss above that wick, and we would have targeted a 1 to 2, and it would have got hit. No lie, it would have just barely got hit. But you know me, as soon as a 1 to 2 get hit, I'm out that motherfucker. No cap. But yeah, man, this week just really wasn't. It is what it is, though, man. Let's go to Monday real quick. Let's just go to Monday real quick, talk about it. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, this shit just looks atrocious. I'm not gonna lie, this shit. Like, I ain't gonna lie, it was like a couple days or a couple trades I was gonna take, but news had messed it up, and y'all know I don't fuck with news at all in the slightest. So let's go to GU real quick, man. I ain't trying to make this video too long. I just want to show y'all, you know, just show y'all, you know what I'm saying? Show y'all just the little charts, you know what I mean? So this is Monday. Monday wasn't no shit. It was a lot of news. Didn't really give us a setup, so I was like, all right, fuck it, you know what I'm saying? No trade day. I was like, all right, you know, we gonna get a trade tomorrow. No. All right, we gonna get a trade Wednesday. No. Now, this right here, this happened earlier in the morning. Like I said, I always set my alarm at 7:30 in the morning just to wake up, just to make sure I'm not missing any setups, and then I might either go back to sleep for 30 minutes and then wake back up. But right here, this is a weird trade. It definitely hit TP, but what time was this? 9:05. Yeah, I don't know where all the fuck that momentum come. I don't know if that was news. I don't know. But, you know what I'm saying? We got a demand setup. This is the first candle that touched the zone. Second candle. Now, this was a valid trade, but I think there was news, though. I think there was news, but like I said, I would have got in right there. Stopped just above the candle that I entered off of. Well, the wick I entered off of, well, would have entered off of, and we would have hit TP. But I don't know if this was news or not. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, it would have got hit. But I'm not trying to talk too long, man. But yeah, this week was, I don't know, man. This week it wasn't it for me. Like I said, for me. But hey, man, let me know how y'all week went in the comment section down below. Hopefully it went good, but if it didn't go good, hey, man, just bounce back next week. You know, this is what it is with Forex, man. Every week is not guaranteed to be a good week. Every week is not guaranteed to be a bad week. Sometimes it's even a decent week. You know what I'm saying? It just depends. It just depends on your strategy and how the market moves. You know what I'm saying? For a lot of people, the market could be bad, but then again, for me, the market could be good. It just all depends on how you see the market. Like I said, just because if you didn't trade a lot this week or if you lost a lot this week, doesn't mean you have a bad strategy. But there definitely could be things you can improve on. You know what I'm saying? Now, losing is something you can't prevent because it's gonna happen. But you know, you can take certain steps to maybe prevent taking maybe like one less L or a couple less L's by, you know, just watching the market and dissecting the market even deeper. You know what I'm saying? I'm not saying that you can prevent all your L's, but there might be a couple things that you possibly can do. And hey, man, I was just being patient this week and just told myself, if I don't see anything that I like, I'm not gonna take it. If it's not following the exact rules, I'm not gonna take it. So I'm proud of myself for my discipline. And hey, man, that's really all I got to say in this video. I ain't really fuck. I almost went the whole video without stuttering, but I fucked up. But yeah, man, that's really the end of the video right there. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Hopefully you had a good week. It's the weekend. Hopefully y'all got time to relax, spend time with y'all family. And yeah, it's the end of the video. MET XRO head ass. But we out though, man. Time to go watch some porn. Oh shit, I'm recording. Why you trying to watch me, bro? You trying to watch me get devious, ain't you? Trying to watch me get devious, ain't you? It's crazy. Click off the video, bro. Just leave me alone. Leave me alone. I ain't trade this week. Leave me alone, bro. Gotta let this stress out one way or another. But now I'm just playing, y'all. Get the fuck off video.